I have a beautiful family. In my family, I have a husband, my two daughters, and one son. Clearing all my baggage that I've been carrying. I don't know what trajectory it would have been, as I said. So maybe 20, 30 years. My life, which is now, yeah, they've compressed everything into 3 years already for me. And I kind of landed in the right place. Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you for everything. I don't know what to say. Yeah, I'm just so grateful. Yeah, my name is Abirami. I'm senior program manager in Philips. I have a beautiful family. In my family, I have a husband, my two daughters, and one son, Sajid, Aditi, Arya, and Shreyas. I've done so many things in my life. Did yoga and got through the spiritual journey and many things I did, but somehow I feel there was no peace and calmness in myself. Got married, I gave birth to my two daughters, and I got into separation 8 years before. A lot of things personally, it didn't really go well at family relationships and things like that. Really did not go well. I joined ANH. I wanted my daughters to definitely, get away from that emotional baggage that we all were carrying for 8-9 years. So in this journey, I also found someone who's a very good friend of mine. I think when I was going through this, I also formed a relationship with Sajid. You all know him. He also felt that it needs to be done. That's how everything came together. His parents agreed. My mom, all of us went together to submit the registration for the marriage. Even when we meet both sides' parents, I think it's a lot of good vibes and nice sharing. And yeah, it's a good, lovely time we had with all the festivals in between, which was pretty nice. Clearing all my baggage that I've been carrying, whatever I have seen in my childhood, the ecosystem, which is like full of fights and no care, no affection, not that much, where we don't even talk about life with people. You are like given, you have to make your decision, right? Every step, even figuring out my partner, everything was like, felt like I'm making all the choices in my life, right? So that's how it was.
So what were some things that you saw in Aditi and Arya that made you bring them to Antano and Harini?
With Aditi, so I think a lot of emotional things which were not helping her able to focus in studies and, make friends. And, she has to identify the people who matches with her vibe and, her feelings and all of that, right? I think I wanted to rebuild that for her.
But after the first cycle of evolution, I was happy. I didn't feel that like insecure. I was so much more like okay with like talking to new people, and I realized how extroverted I had become. I ended up getting a centum in my biology board exam, and I think I got the highest in my grade in art.
I think now I'm also able to identify she's in a position to make the choices for herself. I think that's a wonderful thing I could do as a gift for them.
After Antano and Harini, I kind of felt like I was able to study more efficiently, and now I usually get like the top marks in my class.
She's not an outgoing person, right? Being very shy, calm, quiet, especially when we go out big setting and stuff like that, right?
My third up, that shell kind of broke. Okay, I feel like I can say that. I could go up and talk to people, go out on my own.
Actually, keep telling them, this is my life gift for you, both of you. It is up to you how you guys, really want to take it forward. I wasn't happy. I wanted more in my career. Even at work also, manage the relationship at work also, I think it's largely improved, yeah. I think that's what happened in first couple of ups. I don't know what trajectory it would have been, as I said. So maybe 20, 30 years. My life, which is now. Yeah, they've compressed everything into 3 years already for me.
And why should husband and wife or couples come to Antano and Harini?
Oh my God, to go evolve together, right? I think that is very important because each of them would have come from two different families and, created that, as a husband and wife. But they can create a beautiful layered relationships. They can co-evolve, accelerate their relationship faster, and they can definitely create a beautiful intimacy, deeper relationships.
both of them. It'll help them to create that beautiful bond from the beginning. Yeah, I wish I had all this 20 years back. So
yeah, I think all this, when I look back, I'm like, oh my God, it's like, how I kind of really sailed through that, and I kind of landed in the right place. That's really the thing that comes to me now. Yeah, I'm so happy.
What do you want to tell Antano and Harini?
I just love them. Thank you for everything. I don't know what to say. I'm just so grateful for everything they have done for me and my whole family.
So as Hannah always says, there's no always tip. There's no limit for your growth and evolution and how fast you can accelerate. Even for the mastery, there is no limit. You can always go to the next level. I think that is what is happening.
And for whatever they are doing for the whole community and the society. A person who had a choice just to become a billionaire 13 years ago, and the person, how he made the choice to impact the whole society. I'm like, how it kind of, shows how they are like dedicated for the society and helping people. Yeah, I just love them. Thank you.